Overstock update for Thursday. I see us potentially finishing out a 5-wave first impulse wave total here tomorrow, or we already finished it out today. One of the two. There might be a little bit of upside to like 56, 57. But right now, if I'm looking at the chart, I had to go down on like the 5-minute time frame because this stock has just been green. Every bar has been green. In the 5-minute time frame, it looks like we might have a little bit of upside. But if you zoom out here, we actually hit the very top of this move on the 9th. And so it would be nice to clear this top and get to this top about $56, $57. If we could clear this top, that would be even better. But it looks like it's about topped out, and if it is topped out, then I would be looking for a pullback back to 45 or so. So basically where we were at this morning. So here's my thoughts though on like long term. If we go first wave there, 45 for the second wave. Here in the next couple months, I think it's possible we can hit 65, and if you zoom over here to the other chart, actually let's zoom out for a second. 65 just happens to be the bottom of this right here, and so if we hit 65, and then I think I already did the math on this, it'd be 60 would be the fourth wave, and then we could potentially go all the way to 75 or 75 to 80 bucks for the overall first wave 5-wave move. So if you're buying in these prices, like long-term swing trading, whatever, you're probably going to make money as long as the market keeps on melting up. And I think the market is just starting its melt up as well. So good price, but I wouldn't be buying in this area though. If you are, if you're swing trading, this is a good area to sell. Long-term holders will tell you just to hold because we're going to keep on going up. But if you're looking at the chart, we also hit the 50 EMA like perfectly, and so it's more likely we're going to back off to mid 40s and then move up. So I bought shares today pre-market at $42, and then I ended up selling covered calls way up here at 50 bucks, and so I'm underwater a little bit on those for weekly covered calls. But if we go higher tomorrow to like $57 or so, I'm probably going to be selling and taking the slight loss on my covered calls because I bought these at 40, the shares at 42. I didn't sell the covered call until we were at 50, and so I'll be down a little bit on the covered call, but my shares will make up for it. So I'll make some good money on that, and then I will be saving some money if I'm right and buy back in at 45 again, and then hopefully that's going to be a second wave pullback. Hopefully we can run it all the way up to 65 bucks and most likely take profit there depending on how it's going, where the market's at, or hold on to it and try to run it all the way up to 75, 80. So that's my thoughts on Overstock today, but amazing day. Just know that we are getting close to topping out, I think, on this move, and then probably going to pull back here soon. I think the market, since we were at 411 this morning and we went all the way up to 428, maybe they'll pump it up one more day. I don't really, it kind of depends on how far they want to take it up on the first day. Maybe they'll take this to like 435 or something like that and then pull it back because, I don't know, 50% retracement. Probably going to take that back to like 418, 420, something like that. Maybe they want to get a little bit more room, so they'll take it to 435 or 440 or something. Crazy first move. So I think we're pretty good standing now with the overall market too. So I think this has really got a good chance to run. So just my thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe. And I try to do a daily video on Overstock since I'm in it pretty much all the time. So let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video.